Hey, what up, decisive marketers? So you have a passion for writing, you want to write content to share it with the world, or probably maybe you are just an SEO freak that wants to start a private blog network. This tool will be useful for you. This tool allows you to create blogs, and it's a very simple tool because if you use something like WordPress, you got to deal with the plugins and updates and stuff like that. So if you want to make use of a blogging tool like this one right here today, it's going to save you a lot of time and effort trying to maintain your website, and you're spending all that time maintaining rather than writing content and let your creativity flow. So this tool is called Swish.ink. It's for you to create blogs. But before we dive into Swish.ink, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are in the Swish.ink. Right here you can create blogs. Firstly, we are going to jump into the settings. So I have a blog set up right here. It looks like this, right? Okay, so you got a blog name, and you can put a meta description for your homepage, and you can put in the logo. So one thing I want to comment about logo is that you can't have a logo that takes over this entire thing right here. So you can only put like a icon, right? And it also works as your favicon. So you can only upload a icon and then put in the name of your blog right here. So I feel that this is a little bit limiting because you can't upload a an entire logo that you design, and also the icon right here is the exact same as your favicon, right? So you can't set that up differently. And you can put in your navigation menu, you can set that up, you can put contact us and all that as well. You can put your custom links in there, and it will appear right here as well, right? So we can do that right now. Let's put contact. Okay, and save. Okay, it does takes a while for switching to you know okay, sorry, it's right here. So that's where the contact button is. Okay, so it's being redirecting to my site, and you can put after your post content. So this is like maybe your author profile, something like that, right? So maybe we can put my own picture right here. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, there we go. Right, so the upload speed is good. Everything is fast. Okay. What's going on here? I think that's how it works. Let me see. Yep. So I think this is how it works. Okay. So save. Okay. Maybe we'll put something in. Okay. Let's say we just sign off like this. Okay. So I have pasted an article right here. So this is the end, right? So the photo is a little bit big, so I gotta edit that. And let me just see if there's okay, so there's no way to resize the photo at all. So that's something to take note of, right? It's that you can't resize the photo and have it saved in here. but regardless, right, the page loads really quickly as well. Let's jump into theme. So okay, so this is the color right here. I'm going to change the primary color. Okay, can we use this? Okay. Okay, let me just save this. Let's see if the color changed. Okay, there we go, right? We got a new color for the button right here. Where the logo will link to, right? So you can actually change the main link right here. So this is interesting. So what happens if I refresh this one? Let me just refresh it again. Where the logo in the and the title and the header will link to. Okay. Okay, the link is not updated yet. Okay, so some changes may take some time to appear. Okay, so next is your domains. Of course, you can set your domain, your subdomain right here, and if you want your own domain, you can gotta upgrade. You gotta get a higher plan for the custom domain, and then let's see, right, billing. So you can allow 3 integrations and 5,000 page views per month. That's the one that I have. Okay, so integration wise, they have a few right here. I have actually set that up, but I don't actually know where the okay, so there it goes, right? So it's right here. So these are the integrations. So you got your LinkedIn, Reddit, and all that right here. Okay, so so I've used up all 3 of my integration: Discuss, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And okay, so these are the integration. You've got Google Analytics, Medium, Dev, Hashnote, Discuss, Simple Analytics, Fathom, Plausible, Web Mention, Twitter, Google AdSense, LinkedIn, and WordPress. Okay, and you can check out your analytics right here. So you will see where the traffic is coming from. This has 18 views, and the homepage has 13 views. Most of them coming from Singapore because I'm the only one visiting it right now, right? So and then you can also add users, so you can invite other people to come in and write content on your blog for you as well. Right, so these are all your posts. I have one right here. You have the title, and then your content in here as well. You can This is what you see, what you get, the editor, right? So um you can also insert like code blocks, all that kind of stuff right here. You can also add HTML codes in here, right? Which I have done. So I actually embedded a Twitter card right here, and I've also embedded a YouTube video right here as well. Okay, so that works, and images are actually hooked up to Unsplash, so you can search for um, whatever you want, and stock images. Sorry, stock images can easily be placed into your article from here. Okay, or you can upload your own images, of course, and um, lastly would be your meta description and your featured image, and then your slug. Right, you can also set canonical URLs right here. So if you are reposting it onto Swish, you can then make use of the canonical URL right here. Okay, so you can also have a full screen mode like here, and I think that is about it. Okay, so that is all. Um, the only thing that I feel, firstly, I can't seem to get Discuss working. So Swish doesn't has its own commenting system. It uses Discuss for that, right? Um, it's a very clean design. I feel like I'm writing on Medium actually. Right? I feel like I'm writing on Medium actually. Design it's very simple. There's no other like different themes that you can really choose from. In terms of the layout, it's quite fixed, right? I think that Swish is a easy blogging tool. Does seem to do the job. Uh, if you like to write, I think that Swish is great for that. Um, I think it lacks quite a few customization features. Number one would be the logo, um, and then the your comments. There's for the lowest plan, I think tree integration is quite limited. Um, and also I feel that there isn't any option for us to set the open graph text as well. So I think otherwise, Swish does seem to do the job. If you just want a simple, you just want to write for fun, right? I think Swish seems to do the job, and I think it's good for a lot of people who just want to write something, right? And that's all I have to share. Let me know what you think about Swish.ink in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. And lastly, if you know anyone who could benefit from a blogging tool, be sure to share this video with them, and I'll see you in my next video.